Hello traders, am I audible to you? Just let me know. Let me know traders. Those of you who have joined the live stream, don't forget to like the video. Good evening everyone. Now on a 15 minutes time frame, I'm just looking at BTC. Right? In this chart, what we can notice, this area is acting as support 1, support 2, support 3. And this area is acting as resistance 1. Market has formed a resistance 2. Considering this area as resistance, people might have entered bearish trade, placing stop loss. That means above this level, there are some stop losses available in the market. Same way, anyone who has entered at this breakout by chance, before reaching that level only, market has corrected. It might remove weak players, move towards the upside, and later from the upper end, we can expect some correction. So we'll wait for the market. If there is any upside move, we'll avoid that. First, let it, in case it's getting converted to a false breakout, we'll focus on bearish side. That is my view as at this point of time. On a 15 minutes time frame, I've explained. Now let me switch to 3 minutes time frame. Hello, nice to see you. Nice to see you all. Someone on Friday, they had asked me, that given me a suggestion saying that if I come live, live interaction like this, it might be useful. I don't know who said that, but I thought, okay, why not, we will try this today. This area was acting as a resistance, right? Once this level broke, it is acting as support. That's why I marked this area as well. Okay, Srinivas sir, good evening. Mahesh sir, Sheila Muthu ma'am, Vaishnav, everyone, welcome to the live stream. Time is around 6:58. Another 4-5 minutes, 3-4 minutes we will wait. Based on that, any interesting setup we will get. And one more thing, you guys had asked me, instead of going here looking at all these things, set up trading view. Like I said, I have some accounts, right? Everything I mapped that to different strategies. So today I had completely forgotten that. Tomorrow I'll start using trading view, so that other indices also, like gold, whatever you guys want me to share my view about, I will discuss on that. Today, one day you adjust. One change I have made is me coming live, showing my face. Tomorrow I'll make that changes where completely I'll use trading view. In that we will discuss about other sectors as well. Okay, because everything here is based on price action itself, so should not be a bit challenging for us. Now considering this area as resistance, market has fallen. So in case, what we will do, recent swing low to swing high, we will just draw the Fibonacci level and keep. We'll see what level market opens, where we are seeing any kind of action in the market. Based on that, any setup we want, we will try to place an order there. Okay. Dheeraj sir, you're saying no for what? So did you get a chance to look at the message I have sent regarding boosting channels views? Yes, from Gray Matter, I remember I got a message. Okay, that I have seen. One more, I think, just send me one more message, sir. Just a additional message. Please look into this. You say, I will look into that as well. Okay. Now, like I said, like I promised, like I'll be giving, $100 voucher for any new things what I'm testing here. Whatever works for us, that person definitely will be getting $100 gift voucher, maybe from Amazon, whatever is $100 worth. Market was near this resistance. It has attracted some people, forming M pattern. People would have got confidence to enter bearish trade also. So here, any breakdown or anything as such, we need to see how market reacts at this zone. So from here, any upside movement possibility is there, means small stop loss opportunity we can try. All right, it is lagging for you. Okay, is it lagging for others as well, or is it only for Adrian? What you can do, sir, you can quickly refresh the page. So from that, the live stream, sometimes any issues is there, it gets sorted out. Let us give a breakdown here. We'll see how it reacts at this zone. Time is 7:01. Dow Jones okay, Nasdaq and all, we don't have the data yet. Amarnath sir, good evening, welcome to the live stream. Strongly it's coming down. 618 level support. This area is acting as support. Market broke this level previously. Now it's coming near to this zone. More than this, if market corrects easily, the sellers who was there on top, they will make profit. I'm just thinking if I can have an opportunity on the bullish side right away. I think we can attempt one. This breakout also, I think it might convert to fake one. So before that, any plan to first, let me see. Risk reward, anything suitable for me. Let's say I'm entering a long position here. I'm placing my stop loss here. Near this resistance. If it comes somewhere at this zone, it will be more suitable. See, let it come a bit lower. $95,000 we have. Psychological level, market has broken that level also. So bearish traders, confidence will be to take a put option or bearish trade here, looking at these levels. So if this is a trap, market might tend to move towards the upside. That's why I'm thinking, okay, let me plan for any, bullish trade at this point of time. Only 290, 300 kind of proper risk reward is sitting here. What's happening here in this market? It's opened flat. Quickly, if I get any opportunity, I'll think about entering. For me, also lagging. Just refresh the page once, sir. Refresh the page once. Is it showing continuation? Nasdaq slightly bearish. S&P 500 neutral. This range and all, we will consider this as neutral itself. Only importance to these two things I can provide. Let me open this chart and see. Slight gap up. Previously this area was resistance. Market is facing resistance here. Let's say from here it is coming for a retest. That any more additional confirmation I get on the bullish side means I will take. There's a chance of this one getting converted to false breakout, right? So there's a reasonable place. Market is respecting this zone. Whoever wishes not to plan an entry, you can avoid. But any strong candle here, I'll be looking for a reversal opportunity. Let me switch to 1 minute time frame. Kind of comfortable with 1 minute, that's why. So I'll place one order. Okay, order placed. Place my stop loss also little at the bottom. around $63 is the risk. So much should I target or not is what I'm thinking. Say any strong movement. So if you see here, market has continuously in the recent time, what is the trend of the market? It is upside, right? From the upper level, it has faced resistance. It has moved towards the downside. Anyone who entered bearish trade, again, let's say they're entering here or at this breakdown or at this breakdown, their interest will be to exit the market somewhere here near this support. But before that, to remove weak players, I expect market to move towards the upside. With that logic itself, I've taken this trade. Let's see how this goes. Up to this support level and all, I can't place the stop loss because stop loss additional 200 points I have to give. That doesn't make sense for me. So, by the way, for others, is it lagging? After you refresh the page, is it getting sorted out for you? What's happening here? Converted to positive. It is open here, right? So people are a bit okay. It's correcting. Let's see. That mindset they have. Finally, I'm thinking about this zone. This might be the zone where buyers can enter. They can push the market towards the upside. So that is why little more gap also I have given and placed my stop loss at this area. So too much correction I'm not expecting. A pullback is required. That pullback, if I get, easily this will get converted to a profitable setup. This is the buying pressure zone. So if you are interested to take a bearish trade also, I don't think this is the right place to take a bearish trade because there is a potential of a up move. I'm not sure will it go up to this zone, up to this resistance, or it's going to go only up to this area. But I'm kind of 70% confident that there is going to be a pullback in the market. Okay. Bro, your mic is a bit far from you, so voice is a bit low. No. Now you see, sir. Now is the voice okay? Now tell me if the voice is clear. Is it bit low even now? The voice. I'm speaking louder itself. The correction is happening very quickly. This is kind of make or break candle. Hopefully it sustains above this zone. As of now, near 786 level, it is there. Anyone who's interested, like if you have not taken any bullish trade, I'm saying this might be the area from where market can move up. Small stop loss you can give here. Look for opportunity towards the upside. Easy 1:2 risk opportunity is there. Okay, that's my personal opinion. It's respecting the zone right now. We'll see. Too much of correction. What about Nasdaq? Ideally, if market survives this zone, okay, it moves up, goes to my cost. Simply what I will do is, okay, First, as a buffer, I had given stop loss. Now I'll get off my stop loss at the upper levels. In this case, you can see it is showing continuation, right? I'll get off my stop loss little towards the upper level. So my stop loss is here right now. By doing that, what I have done is I have reduced my risk to $50. Reward is $100. To the zone market will go, that is a bit challenging based on how this US market is performing right now. But if it does, so those of you who entered here, maybe at least 352, minimum 400 points you can, yeah, around 450 points you can try. So risk anyways has been very small right now. This is the make or break level for us. If it's moving, let it move from here. As much as possible, we'll try to manage. Nifty today setup explains, sir. First, this existing setup, let it happen. Then I'll speak about Nifty. Show me the sustenance. How many of you entered the trade along with me? Just let me know. 3-6 level rejection. At least up to this zone, market has potential. Stop loss we have reduced as much as possible. Again, I'll try to reduce in case it's continuing. Entered along with me. Okay. The second setup also here I had said whoever wants you can enter. So who entered there, you're kind of little more extra movement you would have got. For me, just 100 points difference. Okay, Raja sir. Okay, Vignesh, Joshua, Srinivasa. All right. Hopefully, traders. We'll see. Slowly, we'll start reducing the risk also for this trade income. We entered at this zone when I said they're kind of okay. For us, still additional movement is required. Market give additional movement up to this zone is a bit challenging. From here, at least can go up to 95,100 kind of. Yeah, 618 level and all. If it had reversed, high probability would have been up to this zone. Now maybe getting bit stuck in this pullback situation is happening. Let's see. Nasdaq slightly positive. Someone was saying audio is very low. How is it for you now? Is the audio clear? Okay. Nasdaq, it's sustaining, giving a breakout. It's turned positive. S&P 500 as well. Even it has tried to correct and then showed continuation. BTC though opposite it is doing. That is sustaining above breakout and this one is showing quick. I don't know what the heck is happening with this. This candle was a bit strong. 1 minute time frame if you see, yes, it was a strong candle. It's taking the stop loss, then I'll look for the next opportunity. Around $35 to the zone 700. This is the base. Okay, this I'm considering as buying pressure zone. As long as market is staying here, I'm fine to hold the trade. If it quickly comes here, hits my stop loss, then book that loss and I'll plan the next opportunity. Okay, this one candle, I don't know, entire US market was showing a spike towards the upside. What is wrong with the BTC? I'll look into trading view completely from tomorrow's traders. Okay, I'll make all the changes. I'll add everything to the watch list and we'll look into that tomorrow. Coming down BTC. Almost near my stop loss. For me, I'm considering this as buying pressure zone. So from here, if there is a good pressure, maybe we'll capture that additional move. Quickly, we can start trailing the stop loss as well. If it shows a correction here, I'll give the stop loss and exit. What's happening here? Make or break level. So I think it took the stop loss. Just I don't know why it position got closed here. I kind of the loss in the trade. Market did not respect 786 level. As of now, I'll mark this zone. I'll see if next opportunity if I'm getting. After taking the stop loss, if it moves not under my control, still I will consider this as buying pressure zone itself. US market though is showing some slight bullishness. It's converting. What is wrong with BTC? We'll give 2-3 minutes for this market. Okay, I'll quickly have water and get back. Just stay tuned. I'll share my view. Market is still near the support traders. I'll give it some time. It's holding on to this level. If it shows any continuation on the bearish side, something like that. Trend wise, towards zone market has corrected. Showing some continuation here. We cannot rush this level. From here, if it falls straight downside itself. It's converting to false breakout here. Recent no upside potential. Nasdaq here also falling, no upside potential. Although this one is bearish, it is near the support. Those two indexes giving a false breakout. I'll just conduct a poll. Please let me know what is your view. Okay. Market as of now is near the supporting zone. You think from here market will move towards the upside or downside? Or you expect it to be sideways? Whatever is your view, let me know. Breakout. See, people who entered at this bottom nicely, they've made profit already. Now again at buying, this I was expecting as buying pressure zone. I don't know what was the logic for market. If it wants to move up, why it should have come up to the supporting zone, not any kind of psychological level for the market. Is it possible for it to show any the market has corrected more than how much I expected. It has come to the support. So whoever entered at the top, if they have booked the profit here, market directly, how much can it target them? Maybe it will correct and then move towards the downside. Like that view is getting changed here. Looking at this chart, what is this one performing? Little bit all right, I'll go on the sell side. One second, I'll wait. Scandal as scandal proper closing, let it give. How much is this moment? 200. If I have to take a risk, it will be close to 300, 350. %67% are bullish near the support. People who entered at this breakdown already near this area, maybe they would have booked profit. So will market target them is the question. So I will go bearish. Okay, I'll place my stop loss little higher. For this, risk reward. Reward is not sitting properly here. Either I have to reduce my risk for this trade. or I have to keep trailing the stop loss and going. So trailing, get my stop loss here. Risk reward is not good traders for this. Risk reward is not proper. What to do? I'll keep it up to this zone. We will see what happens. Continuation means along with the S&P 500, Nasdaq, even this continues the bearishness, we will go as per this one situation. I'll reduce the stop loss for this to this zone. Swing 618. Change the target up to this zone. See, this is target 1. I'll mention that. Safe traders, when market comes to target 1, please consider your exit. Okay. Breakdown has happened. So from here, if market, this is 618 level, so in case if it respects here and reverse, again setup will get spoiled. So safe traders, near the target 1 zone you exit, and target 2 will be here. That is when, if this is going as per the view, at least to a certain extent, around $115 I will make. For that, a risk is around only $17. That is more feasible. 94,200 is a key support, I believe. 94,200, this zone, right? That support level market broke. Now what was the logic? Almost near this target 1. Okay, so it's here, target 1 reached. Risk reward here is not proper, but 300 points. Who's happy with that 30? If you have taken 100 quantity, $30 is the profit. Please book that and exit. I am thinking, I'm not happy with the risk reward here. Since one last time I'll say, this is a supporting zone, safe trader, you exit. Again, if you say, okay, I should have exited later, since you're holding, I'm holding, that doesn't make sense. This was the initial target, target 1, safe trader, exit. Who's holding along with me, you can hold, because for me, risk is just $18 for this trade, so I'm okay to hold. Okay, so what I'm thinking right now is, this area was support, market was holding on to the support level only is broken, means people who was on top, right, who entered here, everyone made profit. So chances of market moving up and targeting them is low. Rather, it can move towards the downside little more, give that additional move for me, and that time only my risk reward, if the downside move continues, additional movement I will get. So please wait, sir. Wait for what? Lagged once, but now fine. Okay, so just refresh the live stream so that the lag issue might get sorted. It's holding on to the zone, traders, safe traders, if you are, please exit here. Okay, if from here, if it reverses and takes the stop loss, don't think, okay, don't say I did not inform. If the target 1, bias might show some interest. Exactly near this support again, if it comes to test that as a resistance also, it's a problem only for us. What is this market doing? Bearishness is a bit strong here. It shows that continuation goes below 55,000 here, breakdown later, recover also. And as Jack S&P 500 is falling, this BTC doesn't fall. That is happening from 2 trading sessions. Saturday also I plan to take a trade. That time also same issues I had. Sorry, Thursday. How many exited at target 1? Let me know in the comment section. Nicely reversing from here. Exit at 870. Okay. Breakdown, retest if it happens. Yes, it is still lagging for me, but definitely not for all. Have to keep tapping the live button. Okay. Sir, if, yeah, like you said, if the issue everyone is having, then maybe from my end some kind of mistake is there. I might try to rectify that. But only from your end means please check your internet connectivity as well. So breakdown, going for a retest. What is it doing? Exited with decent profit. Okay. Took my SL, I think. Proper pullback. That's why I said safe traders exit here. Again, this setup is having that issue. Movement was kind of decent itself. It went up to 370, 380 points also. $18 I've lost in this trade. That's okay. Exited 50%, holding 50%. Breakdown, retest. Here one strong support level though is there. This candle high, this candle's high. This candle is not able to break. It's sustaining above this candle. So there is slight buying pressure here. If I switch to 1 minute time frame, I can see some sellers putting pressure here. Breakdown, retest level, but not quickly. It's not giving the confidence to jump into the trade right away. Next 3 minutes candle is opening little higher. So little more time if we give for the market. Maybe the last setup I can proceed. Exited target 1 and recovered loss of first trade. Okay, exited 50% holding. Nice correction, it's happening. Should I go as... See here, risk is small for me. Market is showing continuation. So here I'm going to place a buy order. Okay, I placed. This might be the last trade for the day because this is the buying pressure zone. Market has respected that. From here, if it continues, let it continue. I'll hold on to this trade. I'll take a small risk here. For this risk, let's say entry is here, stop loss is here. Hopefully it shows that continuation. Again, if it is acting weird, then only little below this candle. I cannot keep near the buying pressure zone because the stop loss becomes very big. If the buyers are really activated right at this buying pressure zone, like from the target 1, let the trend continue. That additional movement I'll keep trailing and going, and I'll try to capture. Okay, so that is the thing what I'm looking at. Let's not rush. Maybe we might be bullish trade after 10 to 15 minutes. No, this is a zone, traders. This is a zone where continuously buyers are showing pressure, means there is some kind of potential. If it had held on a bit and then corrected, that would have been fine. But now it is showing some upside movement, means there's a possibility of giving at least 300-350 points more. I entered along with you. Okay. Fully, I'm considering this as the last setup. Let's see, bro. Okay. My risk for today is not yet over. Mine too. Mine too. I'm sure some of you might say, sir, you did not exit here. You're telling safe traders exit. Why are you not exiting? Why are you partially not booking? Mindset is different. Risk was $18. When I'm telling you exactly at this level you want to exit, means you think I don't know, I have to exit here. Since the market trend was very strong, expectation was it will move towards the downside. But this series of candles have now changed the view a bit differently. But at that point of time, expectation was this pullback, if it happens, it will correct only. Just based on probability, when we go, then what would happen is, let's say $18 risk. Okay, in return I'm getting 120. So 120, what it would do is it will support me to take another 2 or 3 risk-free trades from the profit what I made. You're getting my point? So that buffer is required for me for the next 3 trade, because for the entire month I'll be taking around, let's say minimum around 60 trades. So 60 to 70 trades. In that 70 trades, for me, the ones which achieves the bigger target, like 1:3, 1:4 target, at least let's say I get around 15 to 18 of them. Okay, that will give me enough buffer to take the remaining 48 trades. Okay, so 38 trades. So that will help me to make additional profit from the market. Okay, so that's why when I say you are safe trader, you exit, I usually do not prefer to exit there, because I know if it goes as per the view, bigger moment can be captured. Some people would prefer to book a bit early, because see, Karthik sir said, okay, and made some small loss in the first trade, I want to recover that. So that negative mindset what you might have, okay, I have to recover the loss. So those kind of people who's having that kind of mindset, I suggest them to close. Do not take too much risk for the trade and things like that. Now this again, I will reduce the risk. How much would this correction say? This is the spike level. Additional 400 points, will it give or not? Something what I have to see. This zone. Ideally, this is the first target, 350 points. Then we will see for the second target. Which time frame, sir? This setup is on a 3 minutes time frame. So looks like the market took exact support at 4-hour candle, which is forming on 23rd of April. My view is bullish from here. Okay. See, I placed the stop loss. I've managed my risk as of now. Here, some people who enters along with me, you might prefer to know, okay, at least where is the target, you might ask. So a decent 350 point target for 70-80 points risk I've shown here. So those of them, if this is going to be a trendy, I have not placed my target, only risk reward I have placed. So additional movement, whatever it comes, okay, I will try to capture, or else that 70 points risk. You see how much is the risk for this trade. $18 is the risk. That's it. First trade also was $18. I mean the second trade. I entered along with you. Okay. Much more. Much more. Pressure is there. Sideways market, if it turn out to be, that is a difficult thing. There's the strong support from here. If it's moving, trend continuation is happening, good for us. Or if it is just wandering just within the zone, that time both the side pressure will be created. That will create a panic situation for us, or boring trading setup it will turn into. 1956. This market doing. Send. Whoever sending me WhatsApp message, please wait for some time. I can reply to you only after the live stream. Okay. So give me another 15-20 minutes time. Test. Let me just look on my phone only what's happening. Start. Okay. BTC though it's holding on even if you switch to 15 minutes time frame, right? What the heck is wrong with this? See, on a 15 minutes time frame also, this is a strong candle, okay, and it is showing continuation also. So below this next 15 minutes candle, if your stop loss is there, it's kind of okay trade for you, okay situation for you. No need to place bigger stop loss than that. Almost near this target. I forgot my glasses. Anyways. Someone was saying audio is not that clear. It's very low, right? Is it clear for you now? What is this? Almost near this target zone and okay candle. What is the current status of your this trade? How many of you have taken this trade along with me? What is the position near this area? Looking at this red candle, did you book the profit or not? I personally did not say anyone to book the profit, okay, because like I said, this 15 minutes candle low is the base. So as long as market doesn't hit that, we are kind of in a safe territory, okay. That is my opinion. So what's happening to your setup? Let me know. Now what have you decided? This is the target what I have said, okay. You want to book it here and exit, or you want to wait up to this zone? 50-50% chance, okay. If you consider yourself safe situation, just like the last trade I said, you book it there at here itself, or else we'll book it there at the upper level. Now the stop loss, I'll get it down here, okay. So whatever happens, this is a risk-free trade for me. This target achieved. Who wants to exit, you can exit, okay. The potential of market reaching up to this area is what I'm thinking about. It is 50-50 for market to reach, but this initial target what I discussed, it is achieved. Will not exit. Let's see, I can wait. Was waiting, wait. I need to give that. Sorry, I don't know where I placed this. Okay. More than that, market has given you more than that. This is the right time for you guys to exit. That's my opinion. Here I've got my stop loss up to this zone. So whatever happens, I'll be booking the profit below this candle, okay. Continuation means above or else below. So here now $53, whatever happens I'll make $94 if it goes up to that zone. This one's okay, not okay. Safe traders book. My stop loss is here. If you consider yourself a safe trader, book it right away. Okay, from here it can reverse. Okay, reversed. I think I've got the move, the history, around $52 in the trade. Last trade $19 loss, so that is recovered here. So this was a solid move, close to 1,000 points. See, after exiting the trade I can say okay, I should have booked that $50-60 here. Again I said target one, from here I can book. But until this move, right, I did not think about the upside continuation, honestly, right? So I could not come to that mindset. I was thinking as downside itself. That's why I planned for target 2, but safe traders would have exited here. So what happened to your trade? Mine trailing stop loss got hit. Now here, will the trend continue whatsoever? That is the situation. 618 level. As of now, if this is acting as a resistance, better to book. I already have Delta Exchange account. Is there any other way to join the crypto community? That's the only way as of now. Boom, water move for extra move. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today's live. I've come live also. So this is an important zone. So as long as market sustains above the zone, I mean it goes above the zone, no need to look for any bullish trade. There's a psychological level also. So if you want, stop loss opportunity is there towards the downside, but this is 50-50% chances setup. Okay, I cannot guarantee that 100% this will be okay, or 80-90%. 50-50% probability is there. Advantage here is risk is small, around 280 points. Reward can be, already this level is tested. If continuation is happening, then extra movement you will be able to capture. See, I have taken 3 trades already. I'll not be taking any trade. I'll need around 15-20 minutes break, then I will place any trade. So this is a crypto community group. If you're interested to join the group, open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment. Okay, you guys can look into that. Those of you who's not like the live stream, please do that and support the channel. This will motivate us to reach out to more people as well, right? So that is what I wanted to say. So this zone is acting as resistance. This move we have captured. Let's protect that capital for a while. Then any interesting setup we get, we will look into it. Like I said, bearish trade, 50-50% chances there, but I'm just worried, will it go up to this zone? Probability is there, but how much probability? Usually we go based on probability, right? So probability is just 50-50, means better to keep quiet. So done for today, sir. Okay. So please explain about Nifty setup. See, today market to a certain extent I had taken this setup. Okay, first setup what I had taken, I think bearish trade somewhere here, right? Placing my stop loss somewhere here. I had taken a bearish trade, my stop loss got hit. This is the second setup where I placed my stop loss here, and I think market played with me for quite some time, then gave me that moment. In this setup, my expectation was at if you look at option chain data, 24,300 and 24,200 were the psychological resistance as per option sellers. So I thought they will hold on to 24,300. So expectation was, okay, if market goes to 24,300, movement can continue, but if these sellers are strong, here market has given a breakout, attracted people, so there might be a chance of movement towards the downside, at least up to this support. So this was the second trade. Premiums were not moving that much, but as per this logic you can see this is the initial plan as per the trade. Around 10 11 12 10 11 something at that time I had entered the trade. Expectation, sorry, my bad. Yeah, this one itself, around up to this zone is what I expected market to reach. You can see TP, stop loss, and when market continued to move towards the upside, I said additional 20 points I'm looking at. So here you can see this came to that level. So here I booked my profit and exited. Only little profit more than, because I had made loss in the first trade, right? So only reasonable profit I had made, not even, nothing to speak about. Let's say around 18 points. That was the maximum profit after recovering the loss. So that's about it. I have opened accounts with Delta. Okay. Send WhatsApp message to the number what is there on the screen. Here 618 level resistance, here market is holding. Anyone who's interested means take a bearish trade or else wait in the zone. If market gives a breakout, small stop loss. If 95,000 level breaks, then market, it will give a breakout up to the zone also and later correct. Okay, so this here and all, if the market reaches, then it has potential of trend continuation only according to me. Any further update, I'll share that in the group. Why explain? What you say, sir? Why explain means? Okay. Ethereum, someone asked for view, right? Okay. Ethereum as of now, it is getting ready for a bullish pattern, but I don't think, see, what I mean is this area is acting as a resistance. Market is facing that. So simply what you do, as long as market is staying below this zone, do not look for any bullish trade. But in case it gives a breakout, retest, shows continuation, then look for bullish trade, placing stop loss here. Okay. Next, these levels can be your target towards the upside. Here also this area is acting as support 1, support 2, like that. So it's a tight range, but as long as market is trading below this line, don't look for any bullish trade. Let it go as per the trend. Solana, you want me to speak about? I can do that. That also is getting prepared for upside move, but as long as it is trading below this trend line, correction, bigger move is possible only after this zone. So breakout, retest, shows continuation means look for bullish trade. Until then, as long as it is staying below this zone, no need to look for any bullish trade. I'm not looked at the market on a higher time frame. Okay, on a 1 minute time frame, I'm looking at the setup and telling you. So take that also into consideration. Only short trading opportunities. 618 level support is there. Maybe market can come to the zone later. Any bullishness is there means you have a look at that. Okay, thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. Let's see, I've opened the account. Okay, bro, there any other way to join crypto community? As of now, that's the only option. I'll let you know, traders, if there is any other option. End of this month, another 2-3 days is there. That crypto one strategy about Fibonacci levels is there, right? That I'll share that with you. Now those of you are there in crypto community group, maybe we will have a live session during the weekend. Okay, so Solana, have a bearish view as long as market is staying below this level. And Ethereum, market is getting bearish, like I said. As long as breakout, retest, breakout, it's staying below this level, look for bearish setup itself. And BTC had given the view saying that with small stop loss you can look for bearish trade. 50-50 chances there. So anyone has taken, fine. I only have not taken because I wanted some rest after this live stream. Okay, thank you for participating the live stream. I had fun. For me, showing my face did not make any big difference. Was it? I don't know how big of a difference is going to make showing our face on the screen. You guys tell me. Alright traders, thank you for participating in the live stream. Good night, God bless you, take care, bye bye. As long as this level breaks, don't look for any bearish trade. Okay, sorry, bullish trade. Alright traders, take care, bye.